Hello dear friends, Patrick here for Vortex Rising. Today we're going to be introducing a new series that we're going to be calling the Abraham Hicks 22 processes, where we're going to be discussing different processes offered by Abraham Hicks in their best-selling book, Ask and It Is Given, which has been in print since 2004 and continues to change millions of lives up to this day. In the book, they share exercises and methods to help you improve your point of attraction. So no matter the mood or emotional state that you're feeling right now, there's a proven process to help you regain alignment and lead yourself up that vibrational scale back to pure joy. All you have to do in order to most benefit from these processes is to look at the vibrational chart. I'm going to put it up there and feel out where you currently are at the moment. Then find the corresponding process to support that emotional state. The more important thing for you to acknowledge, though, before you can apply any of these processes is to figure out how you are feeling right now and how you would like to feel. Each process has an emotional range that is suggested for it. So any process that fall within the emotional range you believe you are feeling right now is a perfect place to begin. So we're going to have 22 videos in the series where each video goes over a process, how it works, what's the best emotional state to do it, and how it's done. Some of these processes may be familiar to you already, like the rampage of appreciation or the process of meditation, for example. While others may be ones that you've never heard of before, like the prosperity game or the focus wheel. Rest assured that there's a process to support whatever emotional state you're currently feeling and to help raise your vibration back to alignment with your source. So enjoy the series, and for a more in-depth, detailed explanation of these processes and more, check out Ask and It Is Given by Esther and Jerry Hicks. We've included links in the description. And that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. Till next time. Be well.